Hello grade 3, how are you all? Today we will finish chapter 2, represent and interpret data. The last lesson in chapter 2 is 2.7, use and make line plots. Our objective for today, to read and interpret data in a line plot and use data to make a line plot. Now my lovely students, please open your books on page 125. Unlock the problem. Before we unlock the problem, let's remember. What is a line plot? A line plot uses marks to record each piece of data above a number line. It helps you see groups in the data. Let's read the problem together. Some students took a survey of the number of letters in their first names. Then they recorded the data in a line plot. The numbers show the number of letters in a name, and each mark stands for one student. Okay? So, how many students have 6 letters in their first names? Find 6 on the number line. Do you see it? Yes. The 6 stands for 6 what? Letters. There are how many marks above number 6? There are 4 marks above number 6. So, 4 students have 6 letters in their first names. We are still on page 125 and we are still using the same line plot. Number 1. Which number of letters was found most often? I will give you time to think. Yes, it is number 5, because if you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marks, 6 X's in front above number 5. Now number 2, write a sentence to describe the data. I will give you possible answer. You can write different sentence. More students have names with 3 to 5 letters than with 6 to 8 letters. Let's answer number 3. How many letters are in your first name? I have 5 letters. What about you? 4, 6, 7? Please write it in your book. Put an X above the number of letters in your first name. Don't forget to put an X above the number of letters in your first name on the line plot in your books. The shape of the graph can tell you that the data is similar or there is any data that is not similar to the other pieces of data. Okay, now let's go to page 127, share and show. Measure the length of 3 drawing tools from your desk to the nearest inch. Combine your data with several other classmates. Record the length in the table. I have already prepared for you the table. We'll just draw or make a line plot to show the data I have collected. Okay? So let's do it together. At the bottom of the line plot, you will put the length in inches. The number of inches are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how many tools are 3 inches? Yes, 1. So I will draw 1 X over or above number 3. How many tools are about 4 inches? Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. I will draw 3 marks above number 4. How many tools are 2 inches? How many tools are 5 inches? That's great. 2. So I put 2 marks above number 5. How many tools are 6 inches? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tools are 7 inches? Count the tally marks with me. 4. So I draw 4 marks or 4 X's above number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which length appears most often? Excellent. Number 6. We are still on page 127. We will use the line plot at the right to answer number 4 to 6. Number 4. Garden club members recorded the height of their avocado plants to the nearest inch in a line plot. Write a sentence to describe what the line plot shows. I have to remind you that I will show you a possible answer and you can write different answers, okay? And when you come to class, if you want to write different answer, I will correct it for you. The line plot shows that plants were 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12 inches tall. How many more plants are 8 or 9 inches tall than are 6 or 7? When I say 8 or 9, that means I will add how many plants are 8 and 9 inches tall, then I will compare it to 6 and 7 inches tall. 2 more plants. 8 plants are 8 or 9 inches tall. 6 plants are 6 or 7 inches tall. 8 minus 6 equal 2. Now, number 6. How many plants are taller than 8 inches? I will give you time to think. Taller than 8. Yes, 7 plants. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Bye bye.